Hello, fellow translators. So today I want to talk to you about. I need a drum roll or something. Anyway, whatever. I have a course out. I have a new course out. And so I wanted to talk to you about that briefly. I've mentioned this before and I've asked you questions about it before because I wanted to get your input. And now it's finally out. And the course is How to Run Your Own Translation Agency. As many of you know, I'm a freelance translator and I've been transitioning into running an agency. And so this is basically uh, all the lessons I've learned along the way, which have been quite a bit, quite a few. And, I've taken many false turns, ups and downs, and all that good stuff. And, but it's been very interesting along the way, this transition from being a freelance translator to running an agency and being able to work with other translators and end clients and kind of go between them and try to make all that work. And so there's definitely not a course about this online, and so I thought it would be interesting to create a course about this. I think the only people interested in this would be you guys, so that's why I am telling you about this course. So this course is going to talk about many things. It's going to be talking about setting up, about how to set up, about how quickly you want to set up, or about how to transition into it. It's going to talk to you about how to find good clients, and because you're going to be finding end clients. So it's a bit different, although there are many similarities with how you would find your clients right now. But I talk about that. I talk about how to find translators because that's different. Suddenly you're not translating anymore, but other people are translating. I'm going to talk about the project management because suddenly you're project managing. You have the client, you have the translator, and you're in between. You're the agency, you're an agent. And so you have to act as an agent in between these two. And it's a very different role that you're playing. And anyway, I talk about all that. Obviously, I have a section at the end with bonus and tips and tricks and tidbits and hacks and all that good stuff. But otherwise, it's quite a bit. I think it's about, I can't remember how many hours of material. And once again, it's at your own pace. So you sign up and you kind of take it as at your own pace. Ideally, you are able to take it and apply what you see right away, and so you can do like that, but then you have access to it as reference all the time. It's available on Udemy, should be available on Skillshare. If not now, then soon. I'll put links down below. And yes, if you stayed this long, obviously I'm offering it for free as well. But I only wanted to do it because some people watch the videos and then they kind of click off and don't watch the whole thing. But this for you guys who have watched the whole thing. I do have free coupons for this course, and so I'm going to provide free coupons. I don't know, either a link below or something's going to appear right here. I haven't decided yet. If nothing appears right here, then there's a link below. I'll probably do a link below because that'll be easier actually. So because then you can just click on it and that'll be easier. But anyway, this it's a limited amount. I'm not sure how many. I think it'll be 50 coupons basically to take the course for free. And so, yeah, feel free to check out the course. I would really appreciate it if you could leave a review. Like I always say, when you're a translator, the reviews count for a whole lot. On Pros and Translators Cafe. Well, it turns out for these courses, they count for a whole lot as well. So I really appreciate it if you could leave a review. And also, if you could, let me know any feedback. There are many ways to get in touch with me. They're on Udemy through the course. You can message me or email me, or through YouTube. You can message me on my About page or comment here, whatever it is. Let me know if there are things I should add, take out, things that worked, didn't work, or anything like that. Because I'd love to know how to kind of build it up. Once again, once you sign up for the course, whether it's free or whether you pay for it, you have access to it forever. And so hopefully you can find it useful, especially if you're someone who is interested right now, is thinking of that you'd like to progress and go beyond being a translator and actually running an agency, which is, what I'm doing right now. Feel free to check out the link, check out the course, let me know, leave a review, and be happy. And don't forget to click thumbs up if you like this video. This video is a bit different actually, so it's kind of more just a promotional kind of thing. But don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, where I will be talking more about freelance translation, I guess agency stuff, but usually here I keep it for freelance translation, because I still am a freelance translator as well. That's pretty much all I wanted to say in this announcement. I usually talk about the other course I have, but I won't talk about it because I've been talking about this course the whole time. So that's all. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, thanks. Bye. Savedum.